Good morning. This is the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for Sunday, September 1st, 2024. Mid-level water vapor imagery since 5:15 a.m. this morning shows low pressure west of the Northern California coast, with some mid-level instability clouds pushing northeastward from northwest California to southwest Oregon. True color visible satellite imagery with surface observations overlaid indicates fog and low clouds along and near the coast, and a general southerly flow across the area. There was no lightning detected from 0700 Saturday to 0700 this morning. Aside from a few hundredths of light rain and drizzle along and near the coast, no precipitation was observed over the past 24 hours. A fire weather watch is in effect for strong, gusty winds with low relative humidity across northeast California and the far east side Monday morning through Monday evening. The 60 GFS 20,000 foot level forecast shows the low offshore and diverging southerly flow ahead of it. The low will move northeastward toward the coast today into tonight and then inland near the Oregon-California border Monday morning. Strong southwest winds will occur aloft across Northern California Monday as the low continues to move northeast across southern Oregon. High pressure will then build across NorthOps Tuesday and Wednesday, while weak low pressure continues west of the coast, bringing southerly flow to the area. The pattern remains similar Thursday, followed by a bit more of a low pressure trough influence Friday into Saturday. Broad southwest flow is expected Sunday. The GACC Wharf wind and RH forecast shows poor RH recoveries this morning at and around the Sacramento Valley foothills and points north and eastward this morning, though poor recoveries were not as widespread at lower elevations as the model indicates. South to southwest winds will increase this afternoon and evening, becoming breezy to locally windy from the Sacramento Valley and Siskiyou County northeastward and through the Sacramento River Delta area. Poor recoveries are expected again tonight into Monday morning across inland mid to upper elevations, but likely not as poor or as widespread as this morning. It will be windy with low RH from the southwest, from the Sierras and Modoc northeastward, Monday afternoon to evening. Breezy to locally windy north to northeast winds with lowering RH is then expected Tuesday morning across many of the ridges, gaps, and passes to the lee of the Cascades and Sierras westward. RHs will become very dry inland from the coast into the single digits in many lower elevation areas under light winds Tuesday afternoon. The GFS mean sea level pressure and 700 to 300 millibar moisture pattern shows some lightning potential tonight into early Monday across the far east side. Beginning Tuesday afternoon, very dry air is expected across NorthOps. This continues until Thursday afternoon, when moisture increases to levels sufficient for showers and thunderstorms from the Lake Tahoe area northward. Late Thursday afternoon through next Saturday, low pressure is likely to bring showers and thunderstorms across northwest, north, and eastern areas of NorthOps. The European model indicates the greatest thunderstorm potential to be this next Friday and Saturday. The NorthOps 7-day significant fire potential outlook shows mostly moderate risk inland from the coast Thursday through the 7-day period, as well as high risk for gusty winds with low relative humidity today and Monday across northeast California and the far east side. Isolated to widely scattered lightning is also likely late tonight into the pre-dawn hours of Labor Day tomorrow from the Warner Mountains eastward. NorthOps is forecasting a mix of low and moderate risk for the 7-day period, with the most moderate risk across the mountains. In summary, gusty and breezy to locally windy southwest winds with low relative humidity is expected this afternoon and evening from the Sacramento Valley and Siskiyou County northeastward, as well as through the Sacramento River Delta. Isolated to widely scattered thunderstorms are likely from the Warner Mountains eastward late tonight into the pre-dawn hours of Labor Day tomorrow morning. Red flag warnings and high risks are in effect for windy southwest winds with low relative humidity tomorrow across northeast California and the far east side. North to northeast winds become breezy late Monday night into Tuesday to the lee of the Cascades and Sierras with poor relative humidity. Low pressure is then likely to bring showers and thunderstorms to northwest, north, and northeast portions of NorthOps Thursday into next weekend. This concludes today's Fire Weather Webcast.